Welcome to this video where I will be showing you how our new completion statements calculator tool will take the headache and risk away from complex calculations, making your work more profitable and freeing you up to work on other things or even to go home on time. The calculator is found on the PrintFriendly homepage. Building a new completion statement is quick and easy. Simply click New Case and you're ready to begin. With our tool, you can build a statement in record time, apportionments calculated accurately, and a statement generated in an easy-to-review Word format. You can save your work at any time, meaning that a last-minute price chip or change in the completion date will no longer mean recalculating an entire statement manually. At the click of a button, any details can be changed and a new completion statement generated. Once the property name and your file reference have been entered, you're ready to start building the statement. The first part of the statement deals with basic transaction information, such as the buyer and seller details, purchase price, deposit, and VAT status of the transaction. To save any manual calculation being required, the deposit can be entered either as an actual amount or by typing the percentage, e.g. by entering 5%. The tool will then perform the deposit calculation for you. Select whether VAT is payable. If VAT is payable, the calculator will calculate it at the current rate. Next, select the completion date. A handy calendar enables you to easily select the date. If the completion date changes at the last minute, go back and change the completion date and the statement will automatically update, a completely new calculation in a matter of seconds. The calculator enables you to select who should have the income for the completion day, the buyer, the seller, or shared equally, which is becoming much more common in the market at the moment. When negotiating this provision in the sale contract, you could even use our tool to calculate the difference in price for each option, so your client knows exactly how much is at stake. The calculator applies the apportionment method in the standard commercial property conditions, as this is the market standard apportionment method. If completion is in a leap year, the tool will ask you if you wish to divide by 366 days to calculate the daily rate. You can choose to add or deduct fixed sums. In each part of the statement, we have already chosen a number of common items to make it even easier to complete the statement. Entering a fixed sum is easy. Simply type in the item description as it should appear on the statement, choose whether VAT should be added, and then enter the amount. Whenever this cross icon appears, you can change the order in which items will appear in the statement by dragging the items to change order. This enables you to build a bespoke statement with flexibility to edit. You are now ready to enter details of rents to be apportioned. If you wish, you can group items under a heading by entering a group, such as by grouping all apportionments for a particular unit under one heading. Simply enter the item description, e.g. Unit 1, the annual rent payable, and the dates the last rent payment were made from and to. On adding this data, the calculator will calculate a daily rate, the number of days to be allowed to the buyer, and the apportionment total. The workings out are then shown so you can easily keep track of the calculation. You can edit or delete entries by clicking on the relevant icons on the main page. You are nearly ready to generate your statement. A few final points. Add footnotes for the statement by clicking on Add Footnotes. Look at a handy checklist just to make sure that you have not missed anything important. When you're ready to see your final statement, click Run New Statement. Your statement is generated in a print-friendly version. Click on Download to generate a Word document that can then be circulated to your client on the other side of the transaction. A well-formatted, easy-to-read Word version will be provided, which you can then save to your document management system. All data will be saved and you can access recent cases from the home screen. From here you can edit, view statement, archive, or delete statements from previous transactions. No other provider has anything like this, and as you can see, it will let you build a complex completion statement in record time. Calculate the efficiency savings across a year and it pays for itself. So give it a whirl in your next transaction.